Now, today we will discuss about the circulatory system, blood vessels. Blood vessels in which blood carries. There are three types of blood vessels present: artery, vein and capillaries. First, artery. Artery carries oxygenated blood, exception pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated blood. Artery wall is very thick. It takes blood away from the heart. As it do not have wall, blood flows inside the artery with the high speed and high pressure. So, to withstand this pressure and speed, artery walls are thick. The largest artery is aorta. Next is vein. Vein carry deoxygenated blood, exception pulmonary vein. Means in pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood flows. It take blood towards the heart. Blood carry with the slow speed and with the low pressure. So the vein walls are very thin. It has walls, that's why the blood flow inside the vein with the low speed and low pressure, and it also prevent backflow of the deoxygenated blood. The largest vein in our body is vena cava. Superior and inferior two type of vena cava. Superior vena cava takes deoxygenated blood from the upper side of the body, and inferior vena cava takes deoxygenated blood from the lower side of the body parts. Next is capillaries. The blood vessels with walls, one thick and very small lumen. Usually it carry blood at low pressure. It found around the tissues where nutrients and waste are exchanged. This thin wall allows easy diffusion. Now, as you can see in this figure, it is a joining between the artery and vein, which is made up from very thin wall. That means very thin wall, one cell thick size capillaries are present. The exchange of material between the blood and surrounding cell takes place across this thin wall. This is all about the blood vessels, artery, vein and capillaries. Thank you.